Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into today's word,
いただきます。
which means phrase used before eating in Japanese, meaning I humbly receive. Let's say it all together.
いただきます。
One more time.
いただきます。
Now let's split the word into syllables and then pronounce each syllable one by one. I, ta, da, ki, mas, you. Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.